how to show or hide the microphone voice input in the Gboard Toolbar on Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus or Ultra. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Then we swipe down at the top and tap on the settings icon. In settings, scroll down and tap on General Management. After that, tap on Gboard Settings. Then tap on Voice Typing. Now at the top here, tap on the toggle button to turn it off. This will hide the microphone input. If you want to switch it on, then it will show the microphone right here, and you can tap on it to start recording or typing with voice input. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.